Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my channel again and spending some time in this video with me. Today, I want to talk about investing in solar energy. I'm doing it through this website called Energea.com. The reason I like, solar is I've always been interested in the environment, and I think diversification is an important thing. My plan for the next 10 years is to have a portfolio of several investment funds, and many different things. And so this is just one of them. And I want to show you what my plan is. I did an initial investment of $300, and for the next few years, I plan to invest $50 additional each month. And so we will see here, this is my first video, but we will see here over the next few quarters what the return is. And so in the portfolio at the moment, I've split the investment into a couple of areas. One is solar in Brazil, and the second one is solar in South Africa. You can see the split is 200 and 200. By the way, I'm reinvesting the dividends, so anything that these projects will generate over the next few quarters, I'll keep reinvesting that. I'm not cashing out. And so this company has investments at the moment in 3 different areas. One is in Brazil, so you can actually see what these projects are. If I click this one, for example, you see this is a solar farm in Brazil. If I click another one, this is an empty field where they plan to build solar, and they give you some stats, some information about how much electricity this will generate and what this means in terms of US homes powered or trees planted, stuff like that. They also have in South Africa, so for example, this one here, you can see it's a solar plant on top of a warehouse. They have another one, for example, this one, which is again like some solar panels on top of a roof. And then if we check those in the US, for example, this one, this is in Waltham in Massachusetts. Again, it's a solar, it seems like solar panels on top of a warehouse in Massachusetts. And they have some others, and also some others in the West Coast, like maybe this one. It's a solar field near, it seems like near an airport. So if we go, for example, let me show you their homepage. They, at the moment of making this video, have $100 million invested from people like me into these projects. And they claim they provide a 12% return on investment. So I know some other investments may be higher than this. Obviously, if you invest in the stock market, but it also has some risk, right? If the market goes down, then that year you may lose some money. Although, like long term, it's always up. So this seems like a reasonable investment if it's on a yearly basis. And this is split in 2 pieces. One is the dividend return, and the other is the appreciation, or how much more money my investment is worth, the market value. So, for example, I've invested $400, and as you can see, 30 days later, this is already $1 more because the market value of those particular shares in those projects are a bit up, I guess. So if we scroll down a bit more here, that's what I meant, right? So this is the return they've been providing. It's above 10% on a yearly basis, whilst the SP 500, yes, it's much larger in some years, but if there is a year that goes down, like 2022, then you are losing 18%. So as I said, I plan to diversify and to have a portfolio invested in several areas. This is one of them. And the other thing I want to show you is if we scroll down here, the first dividend payout will be at the end of this month. So if I open, for example, this page, you can see this farm in Brazil. It's a big farm.